Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí iléeṣẹ́ àpẹ̀tùsíjà tí ìjọba gbé kalẹ̀ ní bíbáyìí láti máa yanjú aáwọ̀ tó bá wà láàrin igun méjì kó tó di ọ̀rọ̀ ilé ẹjọ́ tàbí ìjà ìgboro. Orúkọ mi ni Mojọ́láolúwa, mo jẹ́ agbẹjọ́rò, mo dẹ̀ tún jẹ́ àpẹ̀tùsíjà pẹ̀lú. Ní bíbáyìí lónìí iṣẹ́ àpẹ̀tùsíjà ni mo fẹ́ ṣe. Bá ṣe máa ń ṣe ní bíbáyìí ni wípé ẹni tó mẹ́jọ́ wá wọn àkọ́kọ́ rojọ́ wọn sọ tí wọ́n bá wá. Lẹ́yìn náà ẹni tí wọ́n pè wá àwọn náà sọ tí bọ́rọ̀ ṣe jẹ́. Lẹ́yìn náà a wá máa sọ síra wọn. A ó béèrè pé kí ni igun kìíní fẹ́, kí ni igun kejì náà fẹ́. A wá jọ máa sọ ọ̀rọ̀ náà síra wọn títí tá ó fi ní àdéhùn ohun tí igun méjèèjì gbà láti ṣe tí ó dẹ̀ rọ̀ wọ́n lọ́rùn láti ṣe. Nígbà tá a bá ní àdéhùn yìí, a máa ń kọ sínú ìwé ìjọba tí à ń pè ní MOU, that's a Memorandum of Understanding. Ìwé àjọgbà wa yìí yóò jẹ́ ohun tí ìjọba máa fòǹtẹ̀lù lẹ́yìn tí igun méjèèjì bá ti fọwọ́ bọ̀wé náà, tí èmi àpẹ̀tùsíjà náà bá sì ti fọwọ́ bọ̀. Lẹ́yìn náà ó ti di òfin àti àṣẹ ìjọba tí ẹnikẹ́ni ò gbọdọ̀ tàpá sí. Ẹni tó bá sì tàpá sí á fojú winá òfin. A ní àwọn òfin kéékèèké kan tó rọ̀ mọ́ ìjókòó wa níhìn. Àwọn sì ni àkọ́kọ́, a kì í búra ní bíbáyìí, a kì í fọlọ́run búra, kì í fèṣù búra. Ntẹ́nìkan bá ń sọ àgbà pé òótọ́ ni, òtẹ́nìkejì náà bá ń sọ àgbà pé òótọ́ ni, tí ẹnìkan bá sì wà tó ń pa irọ́ nínú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. Nígbà tá a bá gbé àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ náà sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn, irọ́ á jáde, òtítọ́ á sì jáde. Òfin kejì ni wípé a kì í búra wa ní bíbáyìí. Ẹ lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ kí ẹ bínú ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má ṣe sọ ọ̀rọ̀ èébú sí ẹnì kejì. A kì í búra wa ní bíbáyìí. Òfin kẹta ni pé tí ẹnìkan bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ a máa ń rọ ẹnì kejì pé kí wọ́n dákẹ́ fún wọn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ lọ́kọ̀ọ̀kan kó lè yá, kó dẹ̀ lè níyànjú. Òfin kẹrin náà ni pé ẹ máa bá wa fi fóònù yín sí silence kó má bàa sí ìdíwọ́ kankan. Mo gbàgbọ́ wípé gbogbo àwa tá a wá bíbáyìí lónìí àlàáfíà la bá wa. Tùbínùbí la dẹ̀ máa ń ṣe bíbáyìí. Àwa kì í ṣe ilé ẹjọ́, àwa kì í sì dájọ́ fún ẹnikẹ́ni. Ohun tá a máa ń ṣe ni wípé a máa ń wá bí igun méjèèjì tí aáwọ̀ bá wà láàrin wọn yóò ṣe jọ ní àdéhùn tó dánmọ́rán tó sì rọ oníkálukú lọ́rùn láti ṣe. Ní báyìí màá béèrè orúkọ ẹni tó mẹ́jọ́ wá àti phone number wọn pẹ̀lú àdírẹ́sì wọn. Màá dẹ̀ béèrè tẹni tí wọ́n pè lẹ́jọ́ náà. A wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ ọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ta ló mẹ́jọ́ wá lónìí? Mr. ABC, kí lẹ bá wá lónìí? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Do you want this session in English or Yoruba? English. I welcome you all to the Mediation Center established by the government to facilitate amicable settlements between two disputing parties. Here, we are not a court of law and we don't handle decisions. Rather, we facilitate amicable dispute resolution between two parties. So how we proceed is that we listen to the complainant and then we listen to the respondent. And then we ask both parties what do they want. When we have ascertained what both parties want, we then help them to dialogue until we are able to reach an amicable settlement, an agreement that is practicable and feasible, and acceptable to both parties, after which we reduce it to writing. A document called the MOU, that's a Memorandum of Understanding, after which both parties will sign, the mediator will sign, and the Commissioner for Oaths will stamp it. Once it's been signed, it becomes binding and parties must not go against it, else they will face the wrath of the law. So we have a few guiding rules and regulations here. The first is that we do not swear, either by God or the devil, by stone, water, or anything. We do not swear. We believe you're telling us the truth, and the other person is also telling us the truth. Now, if someone is lying, by the time we begin to compare and contrast and weigh what both parties have said, the truth will come out and the lie will also come out. The second thing is that we do not insult each other. You can be angry, you're allowed, but please do not speak insultive words or use insultive languages against the other party. Third thing is that we do not interrupt. So we always encourage a party to please hold their peace for the other party to finish whatever they're saying. So if you feel that you will forget what you want to say, you can make a mental note of it or write it down, and then you can talk when the other party is done talking. And the fourth is that we'd like you to put your phones on silence so that there will be no disturbance. So we'll proceed. I'll ask the complainant their name and phone number and address, and I'll do the same for the respondent, and then the complainant will tell us why they are here today. My name is Mojọ́láolúwa. I'm a lawyer and a mediator, but today I want to do the work of a mediator. This is not a court of law. I don't hand out decisions. Rather, I'm here to help you facilitate an amicable agreement. And I believe that all parties here today are in pursuit of peace. So let's begin. Complainants, please give me your name and your phone number and your address. Why are you here today? So that's the introduction that I have developed by several, sessions, mediation sessions. So nobody taught it to me, but I learned from what my superiors would say and my colleagues would say, and the things that I would also say as introduction to every session. And over time, I've been able to come up with some standard intro that has all or at least most of these features all the time, because introduction is very important in opening the mediation session. Most of my mediations are done in English and Yoruba, and that's why I've done those two languages in this video. That's all I have for you in this video. I'll see you in my very next video. Toodles!